Okay, this, you probably can't see the other cat in the back, but these are two female cats. They're spayed and declawed. And the one in the front here, she may look black and white, but she's actually like a deep charcoal gray and white. Very friendly, as you can see, and her name is Allie. They're both about 4 years old. And it would be nice if they could have a home together because they've been together since they were quite young, and they're just used to one another. Now, Allie is very outgoing, and you can see she's nicely marked. She has a very pink nose because her face is all white, and she's just a very, very friendly cat. She's here temporarily, and she's going to be at the shelter here very shortly. So this is Allie, and she has a sister, maybe not a birth sister, we're not really sure, but they would like to be adopted together, and the sister's name is Nala. So please consider Allie and Nala, and we'll get a picture of Nala next. Allie, Allie, kitty, kitty, kitty.